digital safety measures that can be taken to protect oneself from being vulnerable to digital attacks such as identity theft and hacking. It also measures include frequent changes of passwords, being selective in information that posted on social media. It is important to be careful what you share online and to always think before you click. Having a sound digital security plan ensures personal information such as credit card numbers, social security numbers, and account passwords remain safe from hacking. Hacking is to use computer to gain unauthorized access to data in a system. Identity theft is a fraudulent accusation and the use of persons' private identifying information, usually for financial gain, extortion, and other crime. Digital safety and security is also being smart, cautious, and responsible while using that technology, especially in using it. It also referring to practices and measures just to protect your digital information to unauthorized access or users with the online environment. The technological impact on organizations and departments is multifaceted. It improves security technologies, enhance data protection, reduce the risk of data breaches and cyber attacks, and improve operational efficiency by streamlining security processes. However, implementing and maintaining these technologies can costly and require specialized expertise. Furthermore, the increasing sophistication of cyber threats necessitates continuous adaptation and investment in new security measures. The reliance on digital technologies also introduces new vulnerabilities and risks, requiring a comprehensive and proactive approach to digital safety and security. Finally, the ethical implications of data collection and use must be considered, requiring organizations to balance security needs with privacy rights. In order for us to be digitally safe and secure, stop oversharing or think before you post. First, remember the golden rule. Second, don't brag. Third, avoid too much information. Third, think about the reader. Fifth, keep relationship details to yourself. Sixth, don't be cryptic. Seventh, quit complaining. Eighth, change your settings. And lastly, post smart. In order for us to be protected, and we all know that cyber attacks is there, or it is an attempt by hackers to damage or destroy a computer networks, we must install antivirus and malware software on our computer. Change account or password regularly and be mindful of information shared and stored on your public computers. Ensure any content downloaded on your computer is from a reputable and trusted source to prevent viruses. Who is vulnerable in attacking? Anyone with a digital presence in the internet is vulnerable to cyber attack. So, hacking remains a consistent security issue for vulnerability. How can we be digitally safe? Here are the strategies to help us to be digitally safe. First, malware awareness. We must download from websites that can contain malware, viruses, or spyware. Download file recovery software and only download from trusted sites. Second, updated firewall. Install updates firewall on your devices. This will protect your information, files, and devices. Avoid pop-up ads. Never click on pop-up ads. It contains viruses. And your online searches or shopping logs are also contains viruses. Next, protection. Protect your information and self. Next, safety. Never give out personal information. Intrusion triangle illustrates the three necessary elements for successful security breach: opportunity, capability, and intent. Opportunity refers to the vulnerabilities or weaknesses in system that allow an attacker to gain access. Capability refers to the attacker's skills, tools, and resources. Intent refers to the attacker's motivation or goal. Information security and protection from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, and destruction rely on mitigating these three elements. Strengthening security measures reduces opportunity, limiting attacker capabilities, and deterring intent. Penalties all contribute to a more secure system. Digital safety and security terminology is intrinsically linked to Information Management System or IMS. Effective IMS relies heavily on robust security measures. Here are 10 security terms and their relationship to IMS. First, firewall. It is a network security device that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic. Authentication, verifying the identity of the user or device. Encryption, encoding data to ensure confidentiality and prevent unauthorized access. Fourth, intrusion detection system, a security software that detects and alerts about potential threats or security breaches. Malware, malicious software designed to harm, disrupt, or gain unauthorized access to a computer system. Phishing, a fraudulent attempt to obtain sensitive information by pretending to be a trustworthy entity. Two-factor authentication, a security measures that require two forms of identification for login, providing an extra layer of protection. 8. Vulnerability, weakness or flaws in a system that can be exploited by attackers. 9. Patch, a software update that fixes software vulnerabilities or improves functionality. 10. Social engineering, manipulating individuals to disclose confidential information or perform certain actions. In preventing accidental data compromise, it involves several key concepts. First, data loss prevention or the DLP. Implementing measures to prevent sensitive data from leaving the organization's control. Access control, restricting access to database on the principle of least privilege. Data backup and recovery. In avoiding accidental data compromise, it requires a multifaceted approach. First, implement strong access controls. Use strong passwords, multi-factor authentication, and least privilege access. Second, use data encryption. Encrypt sensitive data both at rest and in transit to protect it from unauthorized access. Regularly back up data. Implement a robust data backup and recovery plan to ensure data can be restored in case of loss or damage. Monitor systems. Use security monitoring tools to detect and respond to potential security incidents. Next, follow security protocols. Establish and enforce clear security protocols for handling sensitive data. And lastly, conduct regular security audits.
you.